This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Candy Crush Piggy Bank. This handy feature lets you collect bonus gold bars as you play through levels. Once it appears, every time you earn gold bars from completing challenges or events, a portion also goes into your piggy bank. It's a fantastic way to boost your gold bar stash, but remember, you'll need to pay a small fee to crack it open and claim your sweet rewards. Filling your piggy bank is quite straightforward. As you play Candy Crush Saga, specific actions, like earning stars on levels or completing daily challenges, will deposit gold bars into it. You'll see the number on the piggy bank icon increase. Keep an eye on its capacity. It typically holds between 100 and 200 gold bars before it's full, so you know when it's time to consider opening it. When your piggy bank is full, or you simply need those extra gold bars, it's time to open it. You'll see an option to purchase the contents for a small, one-time fee, usually around $2 or $3. Once the purchase is complete, all the gold bars you've collected, perhaps 150 or even 200, are instantly added to your account. Then, the piggy bank resets, ready for you to start filling it again. To get the most value from your piggy bank, a smart strategy is to wait until it's completely full before opening it. This ensures you receive the maximum number of gold bars for your one-time purchase. Also, consider when you truly need those gold bars, perhaps for a tricky level or a special booster. Always compare the piggy bank's cost per gold bar to direct purchases. It's often a much better deal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.